Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if G-washer not draining or spinning. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check water supply. For this purpose, you have to verify that both hot and cold water faucets are open to provide water. Check for kinks or damage in the hoses. Straighten them if necessary. Disconnect hoses, remove mesh filters, rinse them under running water to clear debris and reinstall. Number 2. Inspect drain hose. Look for obstructions and remove any debris. Ensure the drain hose is not pinched or improperly positioned. For top-loaded washers, ensure the hose height is 30 to 96 feet. For front-load washers, it should be 24 to 96. Number 3. Clean drain pump filter. Open the front bottom panel to access the filter. Place a shallow pan to catch water. Unscrew the filter cap and clean it thoroughly. Ensure proper reinstallation to avoid leaks. Examine lid switcher or door lock. For top-load models, press the lid switch and listen for a click. For front-load models, inspect the door latch for proper locking and replace if damaged. Faulty lid switches or door locks can prevent spinning or draining. Number 5. Balance the load. Overloading or uneven distribution of clothes can cause imbalance, stopping the washer from spinning. Remove excess clothes or redistribute items evenly. Number 6. Inspect drain pump. Unplug washer and access the drain pump. Remove obstructions and check for debris in the pump. Use a multimeter to reset the pump's electrical continuity. If no continuity, replace the pump. Number 7. Inspect drive belt. For models with a drive belt, access it by removing the back panel. Inspect the belt for cracks or breaks and replace if necessary. Ensure the new belt is properly installed. Number 8. Perform a reset. This can resolve minor glitches in the control system. Restart the washer after reconnecting power. Number 9. Consult user manual. Locate the manual for detailed instructions specific to your G-washer model. Follow any troubleshooting tips provided in the manual. Number 10. Seek professional assistance. If all else fails, professional service may be needed. Describe the issue and steps already taken to the technician for quick diagnosis. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.